Palakpakan naman po. In behalf of the father and the mother of the groom,
Light is in your eyes, love is in our hearts. Can't believe you bring me mine
and
forever.
now let's give a round of applause behind the groom and all Mr. Jose Almasco. Palakpakan naman po.
So that's feeling starts to change me. On this day, I promise forever. On this day,
And now the principal sponsors, Mrs. Vilma Forneste and Mr. Noel Forneste. Let's give a round of applause.
Wala si Noel.
and I will honor every word that I say. On this day.
Next in line is Mrs. Alpha January Crisostomo and Mr. Noli Cruz. Let's give a round of applause.
Not so long ago, this earth was just a field of cold and lonely space.
Next in line is Mrs. Evelyn De La Cruz and Mr. Noel Princess. Let's give a round of applause.
Now everything's breathing, and the story of my life is all about you.
Next in line is Mrs. Mariel Orbigo and Mr. Nazario Flora.
I'm forever here to chase the fears away. On this day.
And last but not the least, Miss Connie Almasco and Mr. Rogelio Del Campo. Let's give a round. Let's give a round of applause. And coming to go on, the best man in Maid of Honor, Mr. Darwin Narvaja and Miss Katrina Forneste. Let's give a round of applause. And now the groomsmen and bridesmaids, Mr. Gabriel San Juan and Miss Aya May Tubo.
So the next surprise,
Next, Mr. Ivan J. Sanchez as Miss Ian Padilla. Let's give a round of applause. And last but not least, Mr. Jude Richard Sanchez and Miss Geraldine Lorena. Let's give a big round of applause.
Ang pogi! Ang pogi!
And the ring bearer, Mr. Felix Almasco. Let's give a big round of applause. And the coin bearer, we call on Mr. T.A. Sario. And the Bible bearer, Mr. Taylor Pagano.
Si Mama Riwano. Picture, picture! Lakad ka, lakad!
And now the flower girls, we call on Miss Hazel Satayco and Miss Wendy Narvaja. Let's give a big round of applause.
Ayun o.
Ibabaan tilon.
Gusto ko iyak si Kiyose. Nasaan si Kiyose? Umiiyak na si Kiyose.
But when we